Hey, what's up everyone, this is Aashish here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you the design marketplaces where you can sell UI assets like UI kits, illustrations, mockups, icons, 3D assets, etc. and can earn money on the side. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first marketplace to sell your design assets is UInet, and it's one of my favorite too. UInet is one of the active marketplace for designers and developers. You can sell variety of design assets here like UI kits, wireframe kits, mockups, icons, 3D assets, fonts, and everything you create while you are designing a product, whether it's a mobile app or website. You can easily earn 70% on sales, with 30% being the commission percentage of UI8. And I don't think that's bad, considering the marketplace is so active in the design community, and it's a perfect platform for new designers to get some share out of all the sales on the marketplace. Next up on my list is Enveto Marketplace. It's one of the largest digital marketplace for creatives, designers, video makers, filmmakers, animators, music composers, photographers, 3D artists, and developers. That's why I said largest. Enveto Market has 5 different markets, starting from Video Hive for video templates, Theme Forest for UI kits, website templates, HTML templates, WordPress templates, etc. Graphic River for graphic designs, icons, illustrations, etc. Audio Jungle for music and audio files, and 3D Ocean for 3D assets. But for designers, Theme Forest and Graphic River are the ones where you can sell design assets like UI kits, icons, fonts, Photoshop designs, illustrations, product mockups, backgrounds, 3D renders, etc. Next is Creative Market. You can sell UI kits, wireframing kits, etc. on Creative Market as well. Though Creative Market is famous for mockup templates and PowerPoint templates, but who knows, your UI kits goes viral there. So keep posting your stuff. And there are other marketplaces too, like Epic Pixels, Decode.com. These are some of the marketplaces where you can sell your design assets. So if you're planning to sell any of your product on these marketplaces, just a heads up, these marketplaces have review process to make sure your product is of great quality, so remember that before you send your product to them. By the way guys, you can also send me your products for review via my Instagram DM, and you can find my Instagram handle in the description. So hopefully this video gave you enough motivation to create new design products and earn some money on the side. Have a wonderful day ahead and see you guys in the next video.